Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the stacked hatch stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, and be familiar with the hatch stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3. I have already made 21 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. We're now going to start our sequence for this row. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Skip 2 chains, and then into this next one make a single crochet. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Skip 2 chains, make a single crochet into the next one. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Skip 2 chains, make a single crochet into the next one. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Skip 2 chains, make a single crochet into the next chain. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Skip 2 chains, make a single crochet into the next chain. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Skip 2 chains, make a single crochet into the last chain of this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. These 3 chains do count as a double crochet. Into the first stitch of our row, make 2 double crochet. So with these 3 chains, this is all going to be 3 double crochet. Now we're going to start our sequence for this row. We're going to be skipping over chain spaces completely. We're going to be working into previous single crochet stitches, like this one right here. So you're going to skip over to this single crochet. You're going to make a single crochet into that stitch. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. And then into this same single crochet we were just working into, make 3 double crochet. So that's how everything is looking all together into that stitch. There's that single crochet, chain 3, and then 3 double crochet. Now we're going to skip over to this next single crochet and do the same thing. A single crochet into that stitch, chain 3, and then 3 double crochet into this same stitch. Skip over to the next single crochet, make a single crochet, chain 3, and then 3 double crochet into the same stitch as that single crochet you had just made. Skip over to the next single crochet, make a single crochet, then make 3 chains, then 3 double crochet into this same stitch. Skip over to the next single crochet, make a single crochet, make 3 chains, then make 3 double crochet into this same stitch. Now when you get to the end of your row and you only have a chain space and a stitch left, you're going to skip this chain space. Like I said, we're not going to be working into these, we're going to be working into stitches. So we have 1 stitch left. You're going to want to match the beginning of this row. So we're going to make 3 double crochet into this last stitch all together. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. Make 1 single crochet into the first stitch of this row. So row 3 is going to be very similar to row 1. We're going to need those single crochet stitches to work into and those open spaces. So we're going to be making 3 chains to start our sequence for this row. 1, 2, and 3. You're going to skip to the first chain space of this row. So we're skipping all of this right here, any stitches. We're going to be working into chain spaces until we reach the last stitch of our row. So we're only worrying about these chain spaces right now. Into this chain space, this first one, you're going to make a single crochet. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, skip to the next chain space, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, skip to the next chain space, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, skip to the next chain space and make a single crochet. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, skip to the next chain space and make a single crochet. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. And then just like we did at the beginning of this row, you're going to skip everything in between and focus on this last stitch of our row, which are these chains. They counted as a double crochet. So into the tops of those chains, you're going to make a single crochet that's going to match the beginning of this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the stacked hatch stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.